Hashtag Die Sterre at Silverstar, and I'm talking to Colleen van Jaarsveld.
Hello everyone.
Beautiful, stunning, and winner of Strictly Come Dancing. Miss van Jaarsveld. How did it feel winning Strictly Come Dancing?
It's a feeling you really can't explain. It felt like a dream. I literally had to pinch myself to just think, is this really happening? And I think a day later I was still thinking I only dreamt it until I got all the great congratulations. Like for that whole week, then it like started sinking in. It was an amazing thing. You can't describe it. I don't know how to describe it.
Because all I know is that Twitter was buzzing. We were like, can Twitter just take a breather? But would you say you could take anything from the experience, or did you like learn anything new about yourself?
I learned a lot new about myself. I learned I could push boundaries that, I thought my boundaries were way like smaller, and it's bigger, and God wanted to show me that, and that I can push through, because I really am someone that can give up quite quickly if I feel like this is not working out for me, or this is getting too hard and too much, and I had no choice. So this is one of my first things I've ever pushed through in life, so it just shows me that I really can do it, and that I do have that ability in me.
Perfect. If you could collaborate with any artist globally or in South Africa, who would it be?
I think Ed Sheeran. Absolutely love it.
I love myself an Ed Sheeran and a photograph. That's all I do. Alright, one last question just for the viewers at home. We obviously have seen that you're not a robot and that you are human, but would you say that you still have insecurities as an artist?
I definitely do. It's not like everyone, there's always someone better than you. Like you have to keep that in mind always, and not let it get to you, and not see yourself as a loser because of that, because it's not true. There will always be someone better than you, and you have to give them also their light to stand in and to shine. We've all got our own space and our own light in this world, so give each other the space to be the star that you're supposed to be. Yeah, I'm singing alongside Joseph Clark like today, and alongside Travis Barker, and they're some of the best vocalists I've ever heard in my life. So it makes you insecure, but you just have to know you've got your own style and your own thing that you do, and be secure.
Alright. There you go. Straight from Colleen van Jaarsveld. There's enough to go around for everybody, alright? No need for fighting. Alright. See you again next time. Hello guys, Rolene's Rendezvous. We're like on our way to stage, so this is, we are very lucky to be talking to Mr. Bobby van Jaarsveld here, right?
Hi,
welcome.
Hello. Thank you.
Like, we are very excited about tonight's show. We would just like to know, what is your slogan in life?
Slogan in life? I'm not sure actually. I've got so many, but I think tonight is just to live and let live, or just surrender.
There you go. Go with the flow. There you go, lekker. And then, do you prefer a Nissan or a Volkswagen?
Oh, it depends. It depends what type of car it is. What's the type of car?
Let's take a Bucky.
Bucky. I'll choose Volkswagen.
There you go. There you go, Volkswagen. There you have it, alright. Thank you very much, and we are very excited for tonight's show.
Thank you.
Hashtag Die Sterre, alright. I'm checking you out on Twitter. Thank you very much, Mr. Walter.
Thank you.